Okay, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create functions and complete certain functions with different conditions in it. Okay, so we're gonna start here with our first problem. So we're gonna define a method greetProgrammer that takes in no argument. It should output a string hello programmer to your terminal with print. Okay, so we have our defined function right here with an empty function or empty parameter, no arguments. We are just gonna call or return a print that says hello programmer with an exclamation. We are going to try that. We're gonna check it by putting the function in our Python shell, and then we are going to call the function, so greet underscore programmer, and there you go, our string after calling a function. Next is we're gonna try to check if it passed our Python test. PyTest test. Okay, we are going to test this. Okay, we are going to install our pipe ng shell. Now that we open that, we're gonna be able to check the written tests in here. Okay, so we passed the first one. We are gonna be working on the second one. The second one is we are supposed to define a method named greet. Okay, that takes in an argument which is a name. It should output the string hello name, with the name being whatever value passed as an argument to the terminal with print. Okay, so we're supposed to have a name argument right here, and when we print something, when we call that function, it's supposed to say hello and whatever name that is being asked. So we're going to use the f string f string template literal to be able to change the name when the function is called. Okay, so we are going to try to do this again by opening our shell. Python, pasting it, and we are going to test it out. Greet, and then the name or the string bro in it. So it should replace the name with bro and hello bro. Okay, let's see. Okay. We keep forgetting the exclamation point right here, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and exit this Python shell. We are going to check our Python tests, and it passed. Next is we are going to define a method that is named greet with default. Okay, it should be able to take one argument, name, and it should output hello name, with a name being whatever value is being passed as an argument to the terminal with print. If no argument, very important, if there is no argument passed in, it should output the string hello programmer. Okay, so we are going to do print string interpolation with the f method, and then it's supposed to be hello name, exclamation. Okay. Now we are going to try this again. Now that we have it, we're just going to copy this. Control C. We are going to open the Python shell. We're going to paste it, enter, and then we are going to call the function greet with default, and then the name that we want, or let's make it empty first, making sure that our default is actually showing up. That's our default, and then we are going to put king here. Hello king. Nice. We're gonna exit, check our tests for passing. Good job. Great job. Next one, we're gonna define a method add that takes in two numbers as an argument and returns the sum of these two numbers. Okay, we have our function add that will take in num1 and num2. So we want to return num1 plus num2, and that should work. We're gonna check it again, place this in our terminal, call this with a test value of 45 and 55. It's adding up to 100. That's what our next solution that should be. We are going to exit, and then we're going to double check. 5 has passed. Nice. Last question is going to be to define a method called halves that takes in one number as an argument and returns that number's value and divided by 2. Okay. Return number divided by 2. We're going to check it, paste it here, and then we're going to we're going to call it have two numbers, 10 have 10, okay, divided by 2 is 5. That's correct. Then we are going to check it, and we have completed it. And there you have it. Very basic Python functions. I was able to help you guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.